getting in contact, talking to people, feeling the product is still important because we're still human beings that need to interact. We are made like this.
There is no other event like this in Europe for the unified communications market.
This year there's definitely a buzz about it. It's been very, very busy. We've had lots of activity on the stand, which has been great.
2018 has been a really good year. You can just kind of feel it in the hall. It's like there's a definite energy here.
It's been a really good event over the 2 days. We've had a lot of great conversations.
People are really engaged. I think there are some big challenges that people are looking at in the industry right now.
We're having really, really good conversations. Lots of people from outside the UK as well, which is encouraging.
We've had key decision makers, we've had the end users.
There's individual buyers, there's influencers.
I had my senior leaders here yesterday. They were seeing their peers from other companies and they were all having really high-level senior conversations.
It's not just IT, and it's not been one type of customer either.
We've also had some great new customers come to see us.
We have had a lot of really powerful conversations with sort of large multinational enterprises.
Banking, health, government, education.
Universities, retail organisations, so really broad mix of industries.
We always get exceptional support from Imago.
We've got a really good stand, it's in a good position, and it's been really easy.
All the lead generation activities, the pre-event social media was great.
Very good, very worthwhile, had some really excellent leads.
Real sort of buying conversations, that they're not just people sort of kicking the tyres, it's real sales opportunities.
This is actually our second year here, and we'll definitely be here for the third year.
Have we booked out for next year? Absolutely.
We're a big player in the market and it's essential for us to be here.
It's been a really positive event for us.